Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, then I'm Sneha and I make videos on skincare, beauty, lifestyle and a lot more. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there. So in today's video, we will be talking about one of the most important product in skincare routine. I mean, this has been around for a long time. Yes, serum. Now, if you are thinking what a serum is and you have no clue about it, don't worry. I have got you all covered. So, in today's video, we will be talking about what a serum is, how to use it, when to use it, what kind of ingredients to look for your skin type. So, yeah, without any further delay, let's get into the video. So what actually are serums? Now serums have thinner consistency than a moisturizer and a thicker consistency than a toner. So you're supposed to apply these serums just after your toning and before moisturizing. Serums have smaller molecular structure which helps them to penetrate faster and deeper into our skin. And also since they contain an active ingredient, it helps them to focus on our problem area much faster. Now there are products in market called essence or facial oils. They serve the same purpose as a serum does. It totally depends on our skin type to decide on whether we want to go with a serum or a facial oil or an essence. Before you start using your serum, make sure to read the label on instructions on how to use, because depending on the active ingredient, some serums are supposed to be used only twice a week and some every day. So make sure to check that. And also please do not use your serum with a cotton swab. Make sure to just drop it on your face or on your fingertips and just gently massage it into your skin. Now, if you're wondering why do I need a serum when my moisturizer is just working perfectly? Now, there's a huge difference between a serum and a moisturizer. Because of the thinner consistency than the moisturizer, serum actually penetrates deeper into your skin and heals you from within, whereas a moisturizer just works on the surface of the skin. Now we will be talking about the different types of active ingredients available in the market for serums and which works best for which skin type. For brightening skin, the main ingredients that you should be looking for are vitamin C and glycolic acid. Now vitamin C is known to repair your skin and also it helps in collagen production. Now, glycolic acid is something that can be used as an exfoliating agent to remove all the dead skin cells, and also it helps people with uneven skin tones as it lightens your discoloration. So, if you're looking for a serum that will help you brighten your skin, then I think you should be going for ingredients like vitamin C and glycolic acid. If you have dry skin, then the ingredients that you should be looking for are vitamin C, vitamin E, hyaluronic acid or AHAs and niacinamide. Now let's talk about each of them individually. As I said earlier, vitamin C can be helpful in repairing your skin and also bringing that nice glow onto your skin. Vitamin E is known for improving your skin texture and also it has a lot of anti-aging properties. Now coming to hyaluronic acid or AHAs, these go very deep into your skin and hydrate them very much. If you haven't known about hyaluronic acid, then I think you should check this one out. And also niacinamide. Now this one helps to improve your skin elasticity. Now let's talk about acne prone skin or combination skin. Take it from someone who has acne skin, I think serum can be a big game changer in your skincare routine. So if you're someone with acne skin type, these are the ingredients that you should be looking at. First one has to be vitamin C, and then it has to be retinol, zinc and salicylic acid. Now let's talk about vitamin C. Now vitamin C helps in increasing your collagen production and also it helps to repair your skin cells faster. It is also very important for a brightening and nice lightened skin texture. Now next, coming to salicylic acid or BHAs, they help in unclogging your pores, which is very important because unclogged pores and no acne go hand in hand. If your pores are clogged, you're going to have more acne. coming up next is zinc. Now zinc is something that helps to soothe your skin on the surface. So this doesn't actually penetrate into your skin, but it helps to fight on the surface of your skin. Next is retinol. Now retinol has a lot of hype around. Now retinol helps in reducing inflammation, and since it also has antioxidants, this along with the zinc helps to soothe your skin and regulate it on the surface. Now, if you're somebody with a very extra dry and sensitive skin, then I think facial oils can also be a very nice option for you. If you're someone with oily skin, then I think you would want to check Essence when compared to serum, because Essence has a thinner consistency when compared to serum, so it doesn't make your face look even more oily. And if you're someone with a very sensitive skin, in addition to the ingredients that you're choosing for your serum, make sure it also has zinc, because zinc helps to regulate and soothe your skin. Now, if you're wondering what is the serum that I am using, then here it is. I use this serum from Eva Naturals for their skin clearing with vitamin C+. Now, in addition to vitamin C, this also has 2% salicylic acid, 5% hyaluronic acid, 3.5% niacinamide and 2% retinol. So this is the serum that I've been using, and it's been 2 weeks since I'm using it. I can see that my skin is becoming a little clear, but I would say that this is too soon to tell anything about it. And also, please do not feel or think that you're gonna see results very soon. The different ingredients take up to 2 to 6 weeks to actually show your results. So just be patient and incorporate these amazing potion of magic in your skincare routine, and the results are just gonna show up. Also, you can find some suggestions of serums in the description below, which I think can be suitable for different skin types. So if you are going to go ahead and look for that perfect serum for your skin type, maybe you can start from the description box below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys soon.